Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we wanted to do a little bit of a tech video here about our RevMax valve bodies for the 68 RFE equipped Dodge diesels with the 6.7 Cummins. So ever since we did our ZeroFlex valve body install on our 68 RFE truck some time back, we've just been flooded with calls about the relief port in the valve body. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm going to show you the couple of different flavors of valve bodies that that RevMax has for the 68 RFE equipped trucks and the 68 RFE diesels, and I'm going to show you where the relief port is on those as well. So let's start with the cast. So the cast 68 RFE valve body, the relief port on it is at what I'm calling the top of the channel plate here. So top being the widest portion of the channel plate, and the channel plate you can see is wider here, skinnier down here. At the top of that, you can see there's two plugs in the top, and right out to the side of those plugs is the relief port hole. The relief port is a metric 4 by 0.7 and 6 millimeters in length. And the screw comes with the valve body, so it comes right inside the box, and then the screw, and if I can get it started there, just a little guy, screw will go right there. The screw itself will actually come in this little red baggie that will be inside of the kit. The kit will also include really good instructions on where the screw goes for the relief port. Now again, that's the cast plate for the 68 RFE diesel trucks. RevMax does an upgraded channel plate called a ZeroFlex, and it is a billet aluminum channel plate. This flavor of valve body for the 68 RFEs, this also has the relief port in it. The relief port, again, widest side and almost at the very top in the center. This one is a metric 5 by 0.8 and 5 millimeters in length. So if you lose your relief plug, you know what size to get. So there's the plug, and there it is installed in the valve body. So we've had a lot of questions about what is function of the relief port in these valve bodies. If you have a 68 RFE equipped Dodge 6.7 diesel truck, and the 3-year brakes on that, on these differences in these valve bodies, the 7.5 to 10, 11 to 18, and 19 and up. If you have if the truck is not transmission tuned, you are going to want to put the plug in the valve body. If you don't put the plug in and you don't have a transmission tune in the truck, you could have erratic line pressures, and that could set codes for you. Now, the flip side of that, if you leave the plug in, if you install the valve body and you put the plug in and then you do a transmission tune, what's going to happen is it's going to cap out at 160 pounds of line pressure on you, and that could set a low line pressure code. So again, if the truck is tuned, you want to leave the plug out of the valve body. If it's not tuned, you want to install the plug in the valve body. And just a quick recap, where is it located? The billet aluminum plate, it's right here at the very top, widest portion of the channel plate, and I'll remove the screw here real quick so you can see it. If you need to stop your video, you can there. Plug as well comes in a little red plastic baggie. If you bought the cast iron or the cast valve body, same on the very top. There's two plugs right there. That is where the port is on it, and it is a metric 4 by 0.7 by 6 millimeters in length. So that's a little bit overkill on that, but we just get so many phone calls about where the port is, what does the port do. So I must not have done a very good job explaining it in the installation video. So we just wanted to back that up and give you that information today. So if you have a question about RevMax valve bodies or any RevMax products, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.